You easily format your section when you are building a website on Tekmatix from the desktop version and the phone versions. I was actually doing it now, so I thought maybe it'd be really good and helpful for someone else also who are using Tekmatix. So this is what I do. So when I am on my website here, you see the section here, the green section. So this is a section, this is the element, and this is the row. So this section, what I do is I clone it, and then I go into the advanced section and I take it off from the desktop. And then you see I set up the same section. So what I do, I go here and I click on advanced and I take it off the phone. So then it means that I've got the same section that I can format on my desktop. And then I've got the same section that I can format now on my phone. As you can see, you see everything is phone. That's the little sign here. So then I can change it because as you can see, I wanted to give a little bit more space in between each of them. So that's how I am able to format it without changing any. There you go.